Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how can you turn off your iPhone's keyboard typing sound and silent your typing. For this, you need to open your settings, and now from settings, you need to go to sounds. So you need to go to your sounds and haptics. Click on sounds and haptics. So once you go to sounds and haptics, you need to scroll down and try finding your so you can find keyboard feedback. Click on keyboard feedback, and if you have turned on this, make sure you're turning off. You may also find keyboard clicks. Click on it and toggle that off. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to subscribe to this channel.